Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve graphic design with Adobe Illustrator. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Choose the appropriate size for your project. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar on the left. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Draw a rectangle on your canvas to create a base shape. Use the color picker to fill the rectangle with a solid color. Experiment with different colors to find the right tone. To add text, select the Type tool from the toolbar. Click on the canvas and type out your desired text. Change the font style and size from the character panel on the right. Consider using contrasting colors for your text and background. Select the Selection tool to reposition and scale your shapes. Group elements together by selecting them and pressing Ctrl+G or Command+G. Explore the Effects menu to add shadows or blurs for depth. Navigate to the Layers panel to organize your elements. Create new layers for different design components. Use the Pen tool to add custom shapes or paths to your design. Enhance your design by adding patterns or textures. Save your work frequently to avoid losing progress. Export your project by going to File and selecting Export. Choose your desired file format, such as JPEG or PNG. Finally, review your design for any last-minute adjustments. Close out of Adobe Illustrator once you are satisfied with your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.